probably should have planned this out better. Oh no, where's the knife? No. I knew that was going to happen. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, well, I almost killed myself with this. That is so dangerous. Cool, so I just lit my teddy bear on fire. Oh my god. Okay, I'm blowing that out. That is so dangerous, what the fuck? I'm actually so lucky that that just didn't set my house on fire. Like, imagine if I just didn't realize that whole video and then like next minute my bed's on fire. Oh my god, that's kind of just like scared me from ever lighting a candle ever again. Okay, so for those of you that don't already know, I was in Perth for 2 weeks and this is what accumulated in my PO box. So I thought, because you guys seem to love my last video, I thought I would do another unboxing. I have heaps of clothes and makeup, that's all I know. But because my PO box is like public, anyone can send me anything. So I'm just going to go ahead. Oh my god, I can't believe that just happened to my teddy bear. Far out. I hope Peter doesn't watch this video. Soz babe. Alright. Okay, so let's just start. I don't know where the fuck I'm going to put everything, but it's happening. Alright, I'm just going to start off with this one. I think this one is from L'Oreal. Sorry, not from L'Oreal. It's from Maybelline. It is their new Superstay Matte Ink lip products. So I have 2 shades, Lover and Creator. They look super pretty. Came in this massive box though. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god, yum! So it came with some cookies, raspberry and white chocolate cookie dough, more biscuits, and I think this is a toffee apple. Yum, thank you so much. Next one is this box. This one is from The Balm. This is what's in it. Oh my gosh. So The Balm sent me their new bronzers. It's called Take Home the Bronze, and I'm guessing they have 6 shades of the bronzers. They sent me Mary Lou, some Scuba mascara. I actually really like that mascara. Some more Schwing eyeliner, and this is a Meet Matte Hues. What is this? Oh, a lipstick. Thank you so much. I was getting hot in my tracksuit pants, so I changed clothes. Oh, cool. Fudge sent me some shampoo. I love Fudge. I use it to tone my blonde hair. So they sent me just their violet toning shampoo, their conditioner, and this Clean Blonde toning blow dry spray. I've never tried that or seen that before, so thank you so much, Fudge. So these next few parcels are closed, and I already kind of know what's in them because I'm collaborating with them. So this first one is from Baby Boo Fashion, and I just got 2 pairs of jeans. I'm sure you guys will see it on Instagram. A top, and then another red bodysuit. So I won't go into too much detail with those just because, as I said, I am doing videos and posts for them, so you'll see them on the gram. This one is boohoo.com. I picked out a few items. So I got this over the shoulder crop. I got this black dress. I got a skirt. I don't really have a skirt like this. I don't know, it just looked really cool on the model. So just like a yellow skirt with red stripes on the side. This leather sort of looking skirt. And then I got this little cute white crop. And this is just one of those tie-up tops that I'm obsessed with, and it's just like in a really pretty like orangey sort of colour. And lastly, oh, I swear I already opened White Fox. Okay, so they sent me another one. So I pretty much have 2 sacks of clothes from White Fox Boutique, but I'm doing a video for them, so I'll do a try on for you guys. So I won't really like show them in this video because I'm going to do a video on those clothes. Oh, Bellini! Oh my god, yes! How cute are these? I've always wanted a pair of slides that have like leather print on them. Oh my god, they're so cute! Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, these are cool. I love them. They're like the same sort of shape as my Celine Sunnies. Those are cool. Okay, next, I'm just going to go with like little ones, trying to power through this. Freeze Body Beauty Sleep Facial Refining Mask. Cool. So it's like a face mask, I guess. Thank you so much. Ooh. I've seen these floating around on Instagram. These are the Snap Wireless Charging Pad and Wireless Charging Magnetic Car Mount. Now these are for, I'm guessing, like you put it on your dash and then your phone just like sticks on it. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. So I got some. Alright, next, I'm literally smashing through these because I have so many more to show you guys. Ooh. New Dermalogica Ultra Calming Water Gel. Awesome. So keen to try that out. I love Dermalogica. All their stuff is so good. Oh, Sephora. Sephora welcomes oval makeup brushes artist. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try artist for so long. It's basically their elite collection, the smoke finish one, and it has 3 brushes. Every time I see brushes like this, it just reminds me of like a toothbrush, like, and you use them on your face. Like, that's just so bizarre. Cool, thank you so much, Sephora. That's awesome. Okay, what should I open next? Alright, so my next parcel is from Untitled Cosmetics, and I actually ordered a few more of my favorite lip liner colors. So I just ordered the shades Sure. I ordered 4 of them because if you guys watch my videos, you know I literally use that color all the time. So that's just back up because I needed some. I feel like I'm going pretty good with this. These ones are definitely one of my favorites to open, my Mecca packages. Oh my god. Okay, ready? Oh my god, there is so much makeup in here. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly go through everything. Winky Lux, Kiss Proof, Candy Kit, Urban Decay, Christian Leanne, Kaleidoscope Dream Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Ooh, that's so cool. I really hope you guys can see the colors. What is this? Wanted NARS. Oh, what the hell? That's a bit fancy. No way, these palettes are, oh my god, wow. Those colors are so me. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's pretty much just like a bunch of neutral colors and heaps of like goldy, champagne-y, like metallic colors. That is amazing. I'm so excited. And then I just have some by Terry highlighting sticks, some Vice lipsticks from Urban Decay, Bare Minerals lip glosses, NARS, oh this color looks stunning, Summer Fire, I think it's like a matte liquid lipstick, oh my god, that looks amazing. Stila, oh yes, I love these. The Stila Magnificent Metals, this one's in the shade Twig, I think it's like a dark brown, yeah. Stila Stay All Day Sheer Liquid Lipstick, what color is this in? Ooh, it's like a baby pink. This is a NARS, oh, it's like a grey, oh, Velvet Shadow Stick. That's interesting. Hourglass Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Cool. Oh my god, Mecca, I love you. Thank you so much. I think this one's a Mecca one too. This one right here, and I'm pretty sure it is for an event that's coming up. I've like always thought like, what about a festival for makeup gurus? Like how cool would that be? And I think that's what this invitation is for. So it's called Mecca Land. I've seen this all over Instagram already, so that's why I already know. It says, lipsticks and lashes are at the ready. Are you coming to the biggest event on the beauty calendar? Spectacular Insta-worthy moments, exclusive limited edition launches from the best in the beauty, an interactive festival experience. Are you ready for Mecca Land? It says, mark it in your diary the 12th of April 2018 in Melbourne. Definitely keen to see if I can make that. That is such a cool invitation. And yeah, it just came in a really fancy box, which I'll probably just chuck out because I have no room for boxes anymore. This one's also from Mecca. Mecca MAC. So that's their brand exclusive to Mecca. Cool, it looks like some foundations and stuff. Their finely milled light setting powder, foundation and concealer. This brand's pretty affordable at Mecca, by the way. So this is their Longwear Life Proof Foundation in the shade Sand. That looks like a colour that would match me. Their concealer, and then their Invisible Loose Powder. Oh, I'll definitely try those out in a video. I got heaps of PR from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now this is one of my favorite companies of all time. Like, I'm so obsessed with them. So I think they're sending me their new palette and bronzers from what I saw on Instagram. But I'll show you guys what I got. Soft Glam palette. I haven't actually looked at like inside any of these. Mum actually unwrapped them all for me because they're sent to my old address back home. So sometimes companies still send to that one rather than my new address. So I asked her to just unbox everything and show me what brands, and oh my god, how pretty. That is stunning. Definitely going to do a makeup tutorial on this. The Soft Glam palette. I love how creative they are with their PR. Like, who the fuck thinks of putting like a really pretty rock in with the palette and then like a nice little, I don't know, is it like a frame to put it in? Like, who think that is so cool? Next Anastasia package. Oh my god. New liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, they look stunning. That's amazing. These colors are a bit bold though. They're like shades of blue. That's so cool. Thank you so much. Doubt that they're watching, but you know I love you guys. I think this is the last Anastasia package. Oh yeah, I think this is their bronzers. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. They're so pretty, and they're matte as well. Oh my god, I'm gonna try these out. Oh, far out, these are amazing. I'll just show you guys a few, but I'm sure you guys will see me use them in videos. But wow, they look so good. Next package. Oh, what the hell? MAC. I never get PR from MAC. That's a bit weird. Grand Illusion Glossy Lip Color. That's weird that it comes in white. Maybe it's a sample. Oh my god. Wow. Electric Rainbow. That's really cool. Thanks, MAC. That's so random. I never usually get PR from MAC, so thanks for thinking of me. That's really cute. Mellow Cosmetics. I think this is their new lip liners. I've seen them on Instagram lately. Yes, it's their new lip liners. So they're all pretty much like nude colors. Oh my god, there's so many. So these are the lip liners. Can't really see, but I'm sure you guys will see it on Insta. And they have some new brow pomades as well. This is their matte liquid lipsticks. I've got a few of these colors, but these ones I think are the more popular ones. Posh and Nude. I love Nude. It's so nice. And then these I think just are the matching lip liners. Cool. Oh. So this next parcel was posted to Mum. So they came in that massive box. Mum was like, what the hell? You have a massive box here. And I was like, open it. Like, I was really intrigued to see what it was. And this was in it. A piñata from Too Faced. So apparently it came with like a stick, which is here. But I'm not gonna, I don't see the point in trying to break it open because it's like a little hole here and it's just like full of makeup. So I think I'm just gonna take everything out from the top so I don't like dirty my room even more. But it did also come with a few things in the box as well, so I'll show you guys. So they have their new festival palette. That is stunning. It is a brush. Oh my, it's literally rainbow. This is their Refresh spray. That smells so good. Too Faced is literally the cutest company ever. I think this is lip gloss. Oh, I've never seen that before. Oh my god, what the hell? This is yellow lipstick. No way. Okay, so it literally just came out pink on my hand. That is so cool. And I'm just guessing that these are heaps of different highlighting stick. Oh my god, stop it. Okay, I'm literally getting confetti all over my bed. cute. Oh, that is nice. Probably won't be able to see it as well. I feel like I need to do like a full face tutorial using all this new Too Faced stuff. Like, what the hell? Full bronzer. Solid. Okay, I'm not going to have time to open all of this, but I'm pretty sure they're just all different like colors of what I just showed you. Yeah, lip topper. Oh, this is a highlighter. I'll show you guys what this one looks like because I'm obsessed with highlighters. Okay, so that was broken and that just literally went all over my bed. Cool. What am I going to do? Ooh, BH Cosmetics. Cool. So BH Cosmetics sent me their Sculpt and Blend Fan Faves 10-piece brush set. One of their Glam palettes. Ooh. Oh, so it just comes in a box with two different... Oh, that's nice. This is the rosé one. Oh, no, one of them broke. That's what that one looks like. Ooh, Revitalash Cosmetics. I got a bunch of stuff. So, volumizing primer, high definition brow gel, eyebrow conditioner, eyelash conditioner. Wow. Volumizing mascara, defining eyeliner, and some tweezers. I've had really good reviews about that brand actually. So yeah, thank you so much Revitalash. I'm going to definitely try those out. Oh, this is my Model Rock order. So this is the lashes that I use on my clients. So I just ordered some 212s, which is what I always order. More 212s. I ordered some Duo Lash Glue. I ordered some tweezers because mine went missing. And then 236, which is another one of my favorites. And then I think I ordered a different pair. Yeah, 249. I want to have a look and see what these are compared to the 21. Ooh, these are nice. They're a bit more dramatic. Oh, I like. Cool. So yeah, that was my order that I ordered through Model Rock. So I usually do the 100 bulk pack, and I'm pretty sure... No, wait. Is it 100 lashes for $50? Or is that the other way around? I can't remember, but it's super cheap. Like, each lash comes to like $2 a pair or something. So, yeah, I really, really love Model Rock lashes for my clients. Last but not least, this massive box. I'm not sure if it's makeup or clothes, so... Oh, that is so heavy. So cute. It says smile. Holy shit. Just casually every shade of foundation. It's not like the full size, but they're like samples. Oh my god. Thank you so... Oh, you're kidding. So they've given me 4 full size, and then a brush and a vitamin enriched face base. Oh my god, that's amazing. I love Bobbi Brown. Thank you so much. All day long wearing weightless foundation. So keen. So keen to try that out. Thank you so much, guys. That is all I got within 2 weeks of being away. Crazy, I know, but I literally pinch myself every day. I'm literally the luckiest girl in the world to do this as a job. Like, it doesn't even seem like a job. I find that I've said that like 1,000,001 times like in my videos, but I'm truly so blessed to be doing what I absolutely love every single day. And of course, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all of your support, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!